Soft copy notes. Okay. The same class. So now, hi, good morning, everyone. So in the session number 6, we discussed the workflow. Okay, we completed the voucher entries without inventory, purchase entry, sale entry, okay, receivable, payable, and how to generate any financial statements, okay, and the MIS reports. We practiced, and then after I shared one assignment also. Okay, hope you people are can solve the problem in Udo Zoho, which ERP you are using. Okay, the same ERP. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss an inventory management. It's in a company. Inventory management is very important. Okay, so today how to control an inventory, how to manage the stock, how to do the accurate valuation, okay, and what inventory reports will generate, and the how to practice these in the ERP is our agenda for two. Okay. So what are the learning objectives of this session? The learning objectives of this session. Okay. Learning objectives of this session is first one, we'll understand the concept of inventory management and its importance in the business operations. Okay, many companies many companies, okay, many companies will try to manage the accounting bookkeeping without inventory. And so invoices, they will book purchase invoices, sales invoices without inventory. Is there any risk? Is there any problem for us? We need to understand. Means how much important inventory. We are completing VAT return, we are submitting VAT return, but inventory part, we are not doing. Right. So that is a very important thing to understand. And next is identify the type of inventories. Okay. So how many type of businesses are there? 3: trading, non-trading, and the manufacturing. So trading and the manufacturing have a inventory. Right. So here we have the inventories, raw material, work in progress, finished goods, trading goods, and consumables. Okay, we will buy these type of items. Which are trading, which are consumable, we have to decide. That will be decided based upon the company activities of the company. Next here, we will understand how to create a inventory masters. Like we understood in the previous class, how to create a chart of accounts. So how to create a ledgers. So accounting masters, we understood. Customer ledger, supplier ledger, purchase ledger, sales ledger, VAT ledger, fixed assets ledger. This is what we understood. Today, we are going to understand the masters of inventory, how to create the masters of inventory. Okay, including how to create a stock group, stock item, stock transfers, unit of measures, how to create a warehouse, how to create a batches, and the serial numbers are very interesting and very important topics. Okay, so next is point number 5 or point number 4. We'll understand record the inventory transactions such as purchase. We know how to record the purchase entry, but without inventory. Right. You know how to do that? Chase entry. So, okay, we have product exactly black coffee, coffee, what you correct the sir. Okay, correct. You sir. You already have? Okay. Then how to record in a transaction as a purchase entry, sales entry. We know both of these, right? But without inventory, we'll see today how to do an inventory purchase and inventory sale. As well as we'll understand the sales return and the purchase return. Sales return and the purchase return, and we'll understand the stock journal and the stock transfers and how to do the physical stock verification. How to do the physical stock verification. Okay. This is also very, very important. Next is we will understand the inventory valuation methods. FIFO method, weighted average method, or any specific identification is as per the IAS. We'll try to understand which method, how to fix the method. And here today we'll understand how to prepare the accounting entries related to inventory, understand their impact on the financial position. Right? In the previous session, we understood we book the purchase entry, we check the balance sheet, we check the trial balance, we check the day book. Okay, and we understood the impact. What is the profit, net profit, gross profit? Okay, that's what impact. Today, we'll understand the inventory impact on the financial statement. Okay, next is generate and analyze the inventory reports. Let's see, such as reports of stock summary, stock ledger, item movement, item aging, and recorded reports, reorder reports. So here we will understand that we already in the previous session, we understand the aging of customers and suppliers. So today we are understanding aging of inventories and implement inventory control techniques. This is the theoretical part. Understand the UAE VAT implications on the inventory purchase, same 5%. There is no need to understand anything. 5% VAT, we know, regard the entries. And perform the complete inventory transactions in ERP. Tally people, Tally students has to do the problem in Tally. Okay, Zoho has to do in Zoho accounting. So Zero has to do in Zero and all these things. So let us start. Understand the concept of inventory management and its importance in the business operations. So the question will goes to Samad. Inventories, what is inventory management? Okay. Ayushi, what is the meaning of inventory management? Ayushi,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of inventory management? Okay. Ariba, Ariba,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of inventory management? Management means planning, organizing, controlling. Every management will do. Right? In the cash management, we'll manage the cash. Okay, accounts will manage the accounting. Production will manage the production management. Okay, same like here in accounts. This starts Kumar. So here inventory management. Okay, so let's see what is the meaning of inventory management. The inventory management is the process of planning, purchasing, receiving, sorting, controlling, tracking, and issuing the inventory. Issuing the inventory, starting from planning to issue, the full process. Planning, purchasing, receiving, storing, controlling, tracking, and issuing the inventory to ensure the right quantity of goods is available at the right time while minimizing the cost and avoiding the shortage or excess stock. Okay, what is the why we are planning to ensure the stock should be available in the pharmacy. For example, if you went to a pharmacy to buy a Panadol, if there is no stock, the problem. You went to a cafeteria to have a black coffee. They say don't have. So ultimately he will lose the customer. He will lose the sales. Right. One time, two times you will go. If he is not maintaining the stock, you will go again. The business, there is a chance of losing the business. So maintaining the accurate stock. You should not maintain the excess stock. If you maintain the excess stock, the warehouse expenses will increase. The rent of the warehouse is more. If you maintain the shortage of the stock, you will lose the customer. And so, what is the inventory management has to do? Inventory management has to manage the inventory to be available to the customers in the required quantity. Okay, so here the inventory management should not maintain the excess stock or a left stock. Ayushi, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood now.
Shoaib,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
Very important है. And Ariba,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
very good. Viva, sorry, your name? Hussein.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we understood what we need to do now. What we have to do, we have to plan, we have to purchase, we have to receive, we have to store, we have to control, and we have to track and issue. Once that inventory is out, the ownership of the goods are transferred, we are free. And our responsibilities will. For example, I went to a supermarket to purchase eggs. Okay, and the counter is busy. We are also busy on the phone. He is giving the eggs. Okay, I'm also trying to take the eggs. He thought he's given. He dropped the. Okay, you will pay. Or he will not. He packed for you. You asked 2 eggs. He packed in the cover 2 eggs. But when it's giving, it slipped and it broken. Who will pay? He will pay because he already forwarded his hand to give you. And you are also forwarding your hand to take, but in between small space, it broken. So you will pay. You will pay. Here. You will pay. I went to buy something. Okay. But when the delivery boy dropped the item, it fall down. Will pay or not? Drop the material, the item. So we cannot use. So you will pay because it's happened. So how to control these type of issues? Let's see. Next is in a simple words, because this is an interview question. Okay, if you're going for a manufacturing company, for the construction company, or for the pharmacy, the supermarket, this is the main question they will ask. Do you know the inventory management or not? Okay, so inventory management means managing a company's stock efficiently to support a business operations and maximizing the profitability. Maximizing the profitability. managing the sufficient stock to increase the sales, operations and maximize the profitability. So why the inventory management is important? I told you, many companies without inventory they are doing. Even it is not possible to manage the inventory for manufacturing. For example, for the perfume manufacturing, if you take an example for perfume manufacturing, they will take 2 to 3 oils, they will mix. So in the grams, small milliliters, it's very difficult to manage. How you will manage, how you will plan, how you will control. What is important? So why is inventory management is important? Ariba, as a entrepreneur, is it important for your company or no?
Yes, sir, it is important.
Why it is important? If you not maintain inventory, what problems will come? Very, very important. Okay. So now let's see here. Effectively, inventory management helps to the business. First one, ensure the products are always available to meet consumers' demand. Inventory management is very, very important to ensure the availability of the product to the consumers. Second one, prevent the stock shortage. If you are managing the inventory properly, it will prevent the stock shortage. Stock shortage means you are losing the customer. There is no any other chance. Next is avoid overstocking and unnecessary investment in inventory. Okay, based upon the seasonal, if you are going for a seasonal businesses, there is season for mangoes. How much you will buy? Based upon the previous experience. Last year we sold 100 kgs of mangoes. This year we see the market conditions and all these things we'll order. So if you buy 200 kgs, we don't know. And so proper investing in the inventory is the investment in inventory is very high. Especially in the supermarket, the milk, it will come with the dates. 2 days manufacturing expiry date, 3 days expiry date. In the pharmacy, expiring medicines totally lost. We cannot return. Right? What we have to do? We have to throw it. So here, very, very important to prevent the stock shortage and to avoid the overstocking and unnecessary investment in inventory, reduce the storage, handling, and carrying cost. Reduce the storage. For example, we have to take a warehouse. Okay, our warehouse, our refrigerators, cold storage is enough to store 100 kgs of mangoes. But you are buying, as per your marketing team, they taken one more warehouse to take only 20 kgs. So this is an main important decisions to reduce the storage cost. We should not increase the storage cost by taking another warehouse, which is not required. When you take the warehouse, there should be a supervisor. Handling cost will increase. You need to take a proper refrigerator to save the temperature. The cost will increase. As well as carrying cost. Carrying cost means to bring the material from the warehouse to our outlet. It will increase, no? Yes, transportation will increase. And improve the, what is the advantage? Improve the cash flow and working capital management. If you properly plan the inventory, okay, you will get a proper cash flow. Means you must have a centralized, if you have 2 to 3 branches. If you are managing the inventory at a single platform, it is not available in Jerica's branch. So Jerica, what she has to do, she has to check whether the stock is available in any other branch, and we can request the customers and have patience. The inventory is coming from other branch. So when the inventory is coming from that branch to this branch, carrying cost will incur. The rider will come, the petrol, salaries, है ना? So these things will come and minimize the losses due to theft, damage, and expiry. If you are maintaining the inventory properly, okay, you can avoid thefts, you can avoid the expiry of item. So every day that is a merchandisers in the carry for CAFO if you go, okay, and there is a CAFO inventory, one machine also there, computer that is going on, checking the expiry and availability of the stock and counting the stock. So this is the inventory management you need to do. And support accurate financial reporting and inventory valuation, improves the customer satisfaction through the timely deliveries. Very, very important. Timely deliveries. Next is increase operational efficiency and profitability. Why it is important? It is very, very important to increase the profit. It is very, very important for the customer satisfaction. It is important to reduce the theft. It is important to reduce the expired items. It is very, very important to reduce the storage cost. It is very important to reduce the carrying cost. It is very, very important to avoid the shortage of the stock. It is very, very important to avoid the unnecessary excess stock management. So that's why the inventory management is very, very important. I'm right, Ayushi?
Yes, sir.
Ariba?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Very good. Shoaib?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next is one real life example. A supermarket normally sells 100 bottles of water per day. Daily, 100 bottles they are selling. So if it keeps only 20 bottles in the stock, customer cannot buy the required quantity, resulting in loss of sale. How much quantity we have to maintain minimum? 100, 102, 103 stock. We need to maintain. If it keeps 5,000 bottles, 5,000 bottles excess stock occupies warehouse space, increasing the storage cost and tie up with the business. This is the problem. Excess stock, storage cost will increase, handling cost will increase, and the funds what you pay, necessarily you pay. You need only 100 bottles. Why you purchase 5,000 bottles? So this will happen in the supermarket and restaurant because they will give the offer, even in the soft drinks. Now the offer is going on. Okay, generally 2 dirhams. If you buy now, it will come 50 fields. The people they who don't know the inventory management, they will buy. When they will buy, they will save store in some way that may expire. Without don't know your demand, if you buy, you will lose. Inventory management helps determining the optimal stock level. Optimal stock level means no shortage, no excess. Okay. Ensuring enough inventory is available without unnecessary investment. This is called optimization. Next is business objective of inventory management. What is the objective of every business? The objective of every business to maintain the optimum stock level. What is the optimum stock level? Economic order quantity, where the carrying cost and the ordering cost should be equal. Okay. Next is ensure the uninterrupted business operations. Someone came without finding the inventory, they left. No use. Next is reduce the inventory cost, improve the inventory turnover, maximize the profits, provide the accurate inventory information for decision making. Okay, clear? Next is identify the different type of inventories. How many type of inventories are there? जेरी का कितना है? How many types? Inventories. Trading and manufacturing. Manufacturing, trading. Aishi,
Yes, sir.
how many type of inventories are there?
Two types of.
Two types. Excellent. First one,
First one, manufacturing.
type of inventory is different from the type of business. Trading business and the manufacturing business. I'm asking type of inventory. Type of inventory. So here, type of inventory. What is inventory actually?
Is goods.
Goods.
Some goods we bought.
We purchase to sell. Right. For
Yes.
real estate, property is the goods. For pharmacy, medicine is the goods. For electronic shop, computer is the goods. Anna, means the main activity of the business is considered as goods. So inventory refers to goods and materials held by business for sale, or material held for production, or material held for consumption during the normal business operations. During the normal business operations. For example, I purchased a stationery. What is the business? The audit firm. My company is the audit company. Audit, accounting company. I purchased stationery. So that is the normal course of the business? No. That is irrelevant, not related to the business. So always you need to check for the restaurant. For example, your business is restaurant. You purchase rice, relevant. You purchase chicken, non-veg, yes, relevant. You purchase vegetable, relevant. If it is a pharmacy, they are purchasing rice, irrelevant. Maybe for the staff meal, staff purpose, to meal purpose, they are buying. So we need to understand. But that is not an inventory. Inventory means the goods or material held by a business for sale, production, or consumption during the normal business operations. As per IAS 2, inventory includes the assets held for sale, in the ordinary course of business. The inventory which is held for to use, to consume. The inventory which is held for sale is inventory. In the process of production for sale, if the inventory includes the inventory held for process of production for sale, we are producing the goods for sale, then inventory. If in the form of material or supplies to be consumed in production or rendering the services. For example, you are the beauty parlor. Your business is a beauty salon. Okay, you will have some creams, right? Powder. Inventory you will have. Right. Why you are maintaining that is called as an inventory only, because that will help you to complete your service. Complete your service. But what is the main business? We are not buying the cosmetics. We are not selling. In the salon, we buy the cosmetics to provide our service. Provide our service. Clear? What is an inventory? The stock which is held for sale, held for production. Type of inventories. Type of inventory. The inventory can be classified in 6 major categories. How many type of categories are there? How many type of inventories are there, Ariba?
6.
6. Good. Okay. First one is raw material. First type of inventory is a raw material. The raw materials are the basic material purchased by the manufacturing to produce finished goods. We understood in our first class. In the manufacturing business, we'll buy the raw material, we'll process in factory, and we'll produce the finished products and we'll sell. Okay, so that is called as raw material. In a manufacturing concern, any item, any inventory purchased to produce a finished product, then you need to use the word raw material. Raw material. And not yet entered the production process. Till that is not there in the production, that is there in the warehouse. Till the production is not started, then only we will call it raw material. Second one is raw material. Example, for furniture factory, what is the raw material? Nails, glue, the raw material. For bakery, flour, sugar, butter. Garment factory, fabric, threads, buttons. Juice factory, fruits, sugar, and automobile factory, steel. Okay, and steel sheets and tires. Clear? Class is going smooth. Are you understanding? IC useful?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Ariba, clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, okay. Clear now, raw material means purchased by the manufacturing, but still not transferred to the production, is there in the warehouse. Example, a furniture company purchased wood, nails, glue. Three items. These three items remains in raw material until production begins. The stage where the names are changing. It is which stage? It is in the raw material stage only. That means till the production is not started. Excellent. So next type is work in progress. Work in progress. Progress, not process, brother. Work in progress. Okay. So definition is work in progress refers to products that are partially completed but not yet ready for sale. This is in the industry factory. Okay, production started. It is not a raw material. Whether it is a finished product, no. Still the process is not completed. So this is called as work in progress. So these products have entered the manufacturing process but required further work. Example, the furniture factory has started making a table. Current stage is wood cutting happened. Okay, legs fixed, painting pending, and packing pending. So that is called as an in progress. The inventory is called as a work in progress. Semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods also called as a work in. So industries, which industries this work in progress is applicable for manufacturing, constructing, shipbuilding, engineering, and printing. Derika, join the link. You can see in your laptop also the screen. Join the link, class link, and you can see the screen in your laptop. Is far. You can see the screen in your laptop. Okay. Third one is finished goods, raw materials converted from the finished product to work in progress to finished goods. Finished goods are products that have completed the manufacturing process and are ready for sale. The example, furniture factory dining tables, bakery, bread, government's factory, shut, juice factory, juice bottle, mobile manufacturing, smartphone they constructed. These are the picture. This is called as a finished goods. If it is the manufacturing concern, there are three items: raw material, work in progress, finished goods. Clear, Ayushi?
Yes, sir.
Ariba, for your business, this is applicable. Ariba,
Yes, sir.
how it is available, applicable? Tell me. You are a manufacturing company? No, right?
No, sir.
You are a trading company.
Yes, sir.
So raw material word is useful in manufacturing. Raw material word will be there in work in progress in manufacturing. Trading
Yes.
business, finished product will buy and will sell the finished product without changing any nature.
Yes, sir.
So this work in progress and raw material is not applicable for your business because you are not a manufacturing company. You are a
Yes,
trading company.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Example, the furniture company manufactured 100 dining tables. Production completed. Ready for customers. Then it is called as a finished goods. Okay. 1, raw material. 2, work in progress. 3, finished goods. Fourth one is trading goods. Trading goods means merchandise inventory. This is applicable for you, Ariba.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trading goods are products purchased for release without any manufacturing process. This is the most common inventory for trading companies. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Trading goods or merchandise inventory. Trading goods or merchandise inventory. Clear? Example: supermarket, rice, oil, electric shop, laptops, electronics shop, laptops, mobile shop, iPhone, pharmacy, medicine, stationery shop, pens and books. So first one, raw material. Second one, work in progress. Third one, finished product. Fourth one, mercantile inventory or trading. A supermarket purchased 500 bags of rice. No processing, sold directly. Sold directly. So this is called as an a trading. So there is this one. Next is fifth one is consumable. Consumable. Okay. So consumables are items used during the business operations, but not sold to the customers. We purchased, but we are using, we are not selling. That is called as an consumables, like tea bags, coffee bags. We'll buy soaps, we'll buy in the office, right? So they support operations and are consumed over the time. Example, printer paper, cleaning material, lubricant, fuel, packing tapes, gloves, safety equipments. Example, warehouse purchased cleaning material AD 2000 used for warehouse maintenance. There are called as a consumables, not trading inventory. So first one, raw material, work in progress, finished goods, trading goods, and consumables. Consumables means we purchase not to sell, we use. Okay. Sixth one is, this is also important. Anna, if you buy a biryani, they will give you bowl, the box, the cover, and the packing materials are used to pack a products before delivery or sale. Example, cartoons, plastic bags, bubble wrap, labels, wooden pallets, packing boxes, etc. Amazon purchased 1,000 cartoons to pack a customer order. This is called as a packing material. If you go to a cafeteria, tea cups. That is consumable? No. They are not consuming, they are selling now. So that is called as a packing material. So there is a difference between the consumable and the packing material. Clear? Done. Can I jump on to the next slide? Okay. Create an inventory masters. Creating an inventory master. Stock group, stock item, unit of measures. Okay. Warehouse and batches. What is an inventory masters? What is an inventory masters? Inventory masters are basic setup. All masters means chart of accounts, no? Accounting masters. In the accounting master, what we will do, will create the ledger. In the inventory masters, we'll set up the inventory. Required before recording any inventory transaction in ERP system, just such as Tally, Zoho, Oracle, Microsoft, Dynamics, etc., etc. So inventory masters will set up the screen. They define how the inventory is organized, measured, store, track, and report. Inventory softwares are helping in organizing the inventory. To measure the inventory and store the track and reports. Without inventory masters, purchase, sale, and stock reports cannot be maintained accurately, which we learn. Inventory master structure. So what is the structure is there? Stock groups, stock category, unit of measures, warehouse, stock items, batch number, and the serial number. That depends to product to product. If you are going for a supermarket, if you are going for a pharmacy, there's one more field will come, expiry date. Expiry date. If you go to a car manufacturing company, chassis number, masters will be different. Next, case study ABC Electronic LLC, an electronic trading company in Dubai, dealing in mobile phones, laptops, printers, and accessories. So before recording the purchase and sale, the company creates all inventory. So one information we need to create the inventory. This is very, very. So step number one. Step number one. Step number one. Stock group.
Stock groups.
Stock group. Online students.
Yes, stock group, sir.
A stock group is used to classify the similar products into one category. Okay, why we are using the stock group? To classify similar products. What is the product? Laptop, for example. But we have Dell laptops, we have Hawaii laptops, we have an Asus. So laptop is our product. So here we need to create group or no? Because we must understand how many Dell laptops are there, how many Hawaii laptops are there. Summary will come as a grouping to classify that. Okay. So it helps the better organization, easier reporting, faster searching, inventory analysis. Think of it as a folder containing similar products. Classifying means creating one folder. Okay, similar products we are keeping there. Clear? What is the use of stock group Ariba.
Organized to similar items.
Sorry, repeat that. Why we need stock group? Ayushi, why we need stock group? We need or no?
Yes, we need, sir.
We need
Why we need?
organize similar stock item in one category.
Excellent.
Hub.
Okay. So organized in a better way, easier reporting. And how many Jerika, how many Dell laptops are there? Simply she has to go to Dell group and give that. No need to count. Okay, clear? Second, next is example A, B, C Electronics creates the following stock groups. So what are the stock group? In the electronic shops, they are selling mobiles, they are selling laptops, printers, computer accessories, and networking items. They will create the categories, the groups, not the categories, groups. Okay. For example, mobile shop, mobile phones. In the mobile phones, they include Samsung phones, Apple phone, and Redmi phones. They want subgroup, yes, they can create a subgroups also. One group they will create as a mobile phone. Against the mobile phone group, they can create a Samsung separate group. Okay. And they can create any number of groups you can create. This is only for organizing. Okay. Clear? Next is the stock item. First one, you need to create a stock group, stock item. A stock item is the actual product that the business buys and sells. Means Dell. Dell is the actual product. And a laptop is a group. Each item has item name, item code. SKU means item code. SKU you will see in Zoho books, in books in Udo. Okay, Talime SKU. Okay, product code separate option is there. Units. Unit means unit of measures. Each item will measure in different units. Oil in kgs and in liters. Mutton in kgs. Laptop in pieces. Phones in boxes. Depends. Tax rates we need to fix on the item. Sorry, on every item we need to fix the tax rate, means VAT 5%. Corporate tax rate we have to fix? No, because corporate tax is on the profits, not on the purchase and sale. Only VAT we need to fix. Purchase price we need to fix. Selling price we need to fix on the item, and the barcode we can fix on the inventory, as well as and the warehouse. On which a warehouse the stock is there, where in which warehouse? We have 23 warehouses. Okay, so we should be very professionally define the stock item. When you are creating the stock item, name of the item must be, and the product code, if you have barcode, right, you can scan, and the unit, don't forget to fix the tax rate and fix the purchase price and selling price. You can edit also, but initially you can fix. Okay, and you can fix the barcode and you can fix the example. Item code MOB Samsung Galaxy S25, iPhone 17, okay, Dell, HP, ProBooks, Canon printers. So the codes are for us, is to identify by the manufacturer. Okay. For us, we'll record the code and it will help in capturing the item. Third one is unit of measures. When you are creating the masters, what is the step number one? We'll create the stock groups. Step number two, unit of measures. Then we'll create the stock item. Okay. What is the unit of measures? Unit of measures defines how inventory quantities measured in meters, liters, kgs, weight, height, how you will measure. This you need to create. Okay. Next is units like numbers for mobile phones, pieces, keyboards, boxes, accessories, meters, kgs, liters, depends upon the nature of the product. For us, classes in sessions, in hours, right? 3 hour session, 2 hour session, 4 hour sessions. Right? Like this, we'll measure. Warehouse is the godown. When you are creating the item, you can select a warehouse. A warehouse, a godown, is a physical location where the inventory is stored. A business may have a multiple warehouses. Multiple. For example, ABC Electronics warehouse. We have a Dubai main warehouse in Al Quds. We have a Abu Dhabi warehouse in Musafa, and we have a Sharjah warehouse in industrial area. We have a showroom in Dera. We have a showroom in Dera. So we need to create the locations. That is called as a warehouse. Okay, clear? So benefits. What is the benefit of having a warehouse creation application you are using? So you can easily track the location. Warehouse-wise stock reports you can get. Easy to stock transfer. Better inventory control. Yeah, Sharaf DG. Batch number. What is the batch number? If you go to the pharmacy, they'll check this. Okay. You go to the dairy from milk, ice creams. Similar product they will maintain. They will produce. Panadol is there, right? Panadol they will manufacture every day, but they will manufacture batch wise. Okay. So a batch number identify a group of products manufactured and purchased together. But today they will make one batch that we can easily track with the batch number. This item is manufactured on Wednesday. This item is manufactured in Thursday. Depends. Okay. But what is the use of batch? Batch, in the batch, how many items are produced? In this batch, how many students are there? 10. Which batch? July batch. Right. July 2026 batch. Sunday's batch. So we'll classify to enter the group of students. Useful for warranty of goods, expiry, product recall, or manufacture traceability. So Ariba, it is applicable for your business batch number? No. Because the hardware items will not be with the batch wise because there is no expiry,
Yes, sir.
no warranty. That's why no need to activate a batch. Example, ABC Electronic purchased 50 Samsung phones, batch number SAM 240801. Next shipment batch number SA1 240910. So both batch have a different purchase dates. Okay, every batch have a different purchase dates. Advantage is warranty tracking, supplier recall, manufacturing date, and the quality. Next is serial number. Batch is different from the item serial number. In a batch, 10 Samsung phone numbers. Okay. 10 phones are manufactured in a one batch. Okay. So how can we understand that how many phones are manufactured? To give you the serial number. So in a batch also, first which one produced, second which one produced is very, very important. A serial number is a unique identification number assigned to each individual item. Unlike batch number, every product has its own unique serial number, batch and the serial number. So for 10 items, batch number is same because this 10 items is producing same batch. But in a one batch, when you produce 10 items, we'll have a different serial number. Star group, unit of measures, stock item, batch, okay, serial number. Warehouse. Example, product iPhone, phone 1, phone 2, phone 3, serial number SG25001, and this is the Samsung phone. Why the serial number? Why we need a serial number? Warranty tracking, theft prevention, repair history, customer support, product identification. Okay. Abhi, I recently changed my car battery 3 days back. When I went, he asked me the batch number. I don't know. The mention on the batch. He taken the batch number and he checked the warranty is applicable or not. He said, unfortunately, it expired 2 days before. So that is the use of tracking the batch number in the serial. Okay. So we can say this customer purchased this. So mobile number 10 is the serial number. So in a mobile shop, if you go, they will write this serial number on the invoice. Okay. Difference between the batch number and the serial number. Batch number is same for many items which are produced in that batch. But a serial number is a unique for each item. Track production batch, track a individual product. A production batch पूरा मालूम करना है, batch number. If you want to track an individual item, serial number. Used for manufacturing, used for warranty and service. Batches only for manufacturing. But serial number is very, very important for warranty and the services. Example, okay? Clear? Class is boring. We get bored, we will play with Salman Khan song. Right. So now very, very important is complete the inventory masters example, stock group, stock item name, unit, warehouse, batch, and the serial number. Like this, we need to. This is the report format. Then quantity, rate, and amount has to come. And so stock group is mobile phones. Stock item is Samsung. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? Very simple. Here, it is an inventory management practice ERP flow. We see an accounting flow. Now this is an inventory flow. Inventory flow, first one, what we need to do? We need to create a group. Then we need to create a unit of. What is the meaning of unit of measures? It defines the unit in which the inventory will be measured and maintained. Step number 1, stock group. Step number 2, unit of measures. Step number 3, warehouse. Step number 4, stock item. So directly, immediately you cannot create a stock item. When you are creating the stock item, these all options they will ask. Group, warehouse, and the unit. Then enable the batch. When you are creating the stock item, once you create the stock item, you need to enable the batch number and serial number. This option you need to enable. Then record the purchase, record the sales, and the closing stock. This is the accounting ERP flow. We need to create a stock group. We need to create the unit of measures. We need to create the warehouse. We need to create the item. When you're creating the item, we need to activate the batch number, serial number. We need to purchase, we need to sell, we'll close. Ariba understood?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to check in your company, how many groups we created. The group should be very meaningful. And it doesn't mean that they created some groups which is irrelevant. In that group, and you must check the unit of measures. How many is applicable for your business? Is there any liters are applicable for your business? No. Like this. Clear? So step number 1, creating the inventory master. Now we are entering into the record the inventory transactions. What are the inventory transaction? Purchase of inventory, sale of inventory, return of inventory, stock transfer from one warehouse to another warehouse. Okay, stock journal and physical stock adjustment. This is an accounting trend with the inventory. Okay, clear? Why I am not showing sales order, purchase order? Is not important for accounting. That will not have a financial impact. Purchase order, sales will not have a financial impact. So I am not discussing. So now, introduction. After creating a inventory masters, the next step is regarding the inventory transactions. Inventory transactions records every movement of goods, entering, leaving, moving within the business. These transactions ensures the accurate inventory records, correct inventory valuation, proper financial reporting, effective warehouse management, and reliable inventory. If you not record the inventory movement properly, Zaffar. Okay. So now, here, if you record when you are creating the inventory, if you select a wrong route, inventory valuation will go wrong, your financial reports will go wrong. If you select a wrong unit of measures, again the information will go wrong. And recording the transactions will help you to update your financials properly. Okay, inventory transaction cycle. What is the inventory transaction cycle? Inventory transaction cycle. Suppliers. Start with supplier. We'll buy the inventory from suppliers. When we purchase, that will go to the warehouse. And from the warehouse, internally it will transfer to the factory, or from one warehouse to another warehouse, or from the warehouse to the outlet. Okay. Next, from there we'll sell to the customers. Sometimes customers will return, sales return. When you return the sales return, the goods will go to warehouse, and we'll take the physical stock verification, and we'll do the stock adjustments. Shortage is there, sales is there. So now let us see the inventory management practical assignment. So ABC Electronics LLC company, the ABC Electronic LLC is a trading company. Trading company means work in progress is there. Work in progress, no. We are buying the material, etc. So what are the products they are dealing in? Samsung Galaxy, they are dealing in Dell, and they are dealing in Canon. Samsung is the mobile, laptops, and the printers. And they have how many warehouses? 2 warehouses. One is in Dubai, main warehouse. Second one is Sharjah. And unit of measures is numbers. So we need the proper. We receive the proper information. Yes. So groups, they will not tell. We need to categorize. Okay. How many groups we will create now? 3 groups we will create. One for mobile, second one for laptops, and third one for printer. Then we'll create the step number 2, unit of measures, numbers. Step number 3, we'll create the stock item. Before that, we need to create the warehouse also. Clear? Ready? So there is an opening stock. They are giving a opening stock. Samsung, we have 20 quantities already in the warehouse. In other warehouse. Okay. Dell 15 and Canon printers have 10. This is not purchase. This is opening. When you are creating that, every ERP will ask. If you have, keep it. Otherwise, 0. So transaction number 1. Purchase from Samsung Gulf LLC. Samsung Gulf LLC is a company, is our service provider, is our vendor, is our supplier, our sundry. Very good. And we have to create a purchase account. First things has to come in our mind. Okay. To operate the software, we created already the items. Now we have to create the set of accounts. So in this transaction, how many accounts are coming? 2. Purchase account and supplier account. Which voucher? Which voucher? Purchase voucher. But item invoice. This is an item invoice. Before we book accounting invoice. Okay. Samsung Galaxy 25 we purchased how many? 15 numbers. At the rate 2750 each. Which warehouse? In Dubai warehouse. Clear? Write down please. Write down the question. First the transaction, because we need to complete the journal entry and check the reports also, right?
Purchase.
Bill. The purchase module.
Charges.
So transaction number 2, purchased from Dell Technologies, Dell Latitude 5500, 10 numbers. Okay. And warehouse Dubai. Transaction number 3, purchased Canon Middle East. Canon LP P 2009, 20 numbers at the rate 620 each, warehouse Dubai. So all are on warehouse Dubai. We purchased it, 3 items in. Sale transaction sold to Tech World, Samsung Galaxy, 12 items. How many we purchased? If we have 20 in stock, we purchased 15, right? We sold 12. We purchased with a price 2750 and we are selling at 3500 profit. Sold of furniture and sold of Office Solutions LLC like printer. So I arranged 3 purchase entries. Okay, and arranged 3 sales entries. Okay, process. Next is write down. All of you write down online students because we need to prepare the table. Okay. Okay. I will share you the material also. This PPT I will share you. So now return, purchase, return. So Samsung Gulf returned 2 pieces. Reason damaged, and cannot return the reason wrong model received. Model number wrong received. So that's why they return. So we returned 2 returns to suppliers, as well as customers also returned to us. Okay. So reason is display issue. Mobile they return, right? Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy, yes. This is a Samsung Galaxy mobile issue. Display issue is there. True. Customer furniture reason keyboard problem. Laptop may there is a problem in keyboard. That's when they return. Means we have sales return, we have purchase return. Very good. And we have the stock transfer also. From Dubai warehouse to Sharjah warehouse, 5 numbers are transferred.
We can ask inward return and outward return.
That we'll see now. We are understanding the transaction. How to book, I will show you the software. Okay. We'll do this problem. Okay. Next, the transaction is from Dell. 3 things are transferred. Okay. Phone also transferred. Sharjah to Dubai. Movement of goods has happened from Dubai to Sharjah, Sharjah to Dubai. No problem. Physical stock verification after stock count. The following differences were found. Okay, Samsung Galaxy S25 system count, system stock is 19, but physical stock is 18. In computer it's showing 19 items, but when we count physical it's showing 18. Ariba, Madam Ariba,
Yes, sir.
ये करना है ना फिजिकल काउंट देखो स्टॉक सिस्टम में कितना बता रहा हाउ मच स्टॉक इज शोइंग इन computers and how much physically you. Okay, adjustment is required. How to do the adjustment?
Okay, sir.
Then system stock is 15, physical stock is 16. In the case number 1, shortage. In case number 2, excess. Take case number 3, the printers also shortage. Okay, clear? Okay, so what is your requirement now? Your requirement to using the tally, Udo, Zoho, Zero or something, perform the following. Create the stock group. Okay, create the stock item, create the warehouse, enter the opening stock, record all purchases, record all sales, record all purchase return, sales return, record all transfers, record physical stock adjustment, generate the following report: stock summary, stock ledger, go down summary, item wise movement analysis, and the playbook. The full accounting. There is no any other transactions in the trading business. We are discussing only trading. Next class will be the manufacturing. Inshallah, that will be more, the BOM bill of material. That is a very professional class in the next Sunday. It will come. Okay. So bonus challenges: after recording all the transactions, calculate the closing stock of each item. Okay. And identify which warehouse has more inventory. Verify that the physical stock matches and adjust, and prepare the summary showing total purchases, total sale, total purchase return, total sales return, stock transfer, and physical stock adjustment. You need to prepare these reports. Okay. Clear? Online students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ayushi, very dull voice. Lunchtime.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Just voices because late night yesterday work, sir.
Very good.
I not fully covered my sleep.
Now, online students, our tea break is completed here. Online students take 2 to 3 minutes break. And in this break, you need to open your laptops. Be ready with the laptops. All of you. Ready with the laptop. So share it. I'm also showing. Once all of you ready, online students inform me that I will start the class. Samad Khan call. We'll check. After the class. Are you getting the class understanding today? Class is okay. We are going to speak. So, online students, where?
Yes, sir.
Laptop hai?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you share the screen?
Host, I can't share, sir. Host visible attendance sharing the screen.
Very good. Understood. The same Zoom link, you can share the screen. Who will share the screen? Okay, online. This is the experience we're telling. They will be perfect because we will operate their system only, right? No problem. So are we ready? Tea break is finished. Ayushi,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Ariba, are you there? Ariba,
Yes, sir.
ready? Okay, tea break is finished very early. Now, inventory master creation. Okay, create the following masters in the same order before entering the transactions. So, create the stock groups. How to create the stock group? Okay. So, what stock groups we need to create? Just plan it. Okay. Just plan it. What are the stock groups we are creating? Stock group name, mobile phones, laptops, printers under primary. Okay. We'll create 3 stock groups and we'll create unit of measure, step number 2. Okay. Yes. Okay. Step number 3, create a godown warehouse. Okay. Warehouse name, Dubai warehouse under primary and Sharjah warehouse under primary. Okay. Next is create a stock item. So item code, no problem. Item name, stock group, unit of measures, opening stock, opening rate, and the value and the warehouse. Okay, clear. So once we completed the inventory masters, we need to complete the ledger creation or contract creation or the chart of accounts creation. So here our format is date, debit, group, credit, group, and voucher. This is our format. We are using this format to convert manual accounting system to computerized accounting system. Right? Okay. What is the first transaction? Purchased. Huh? Okay, please prepare the table. At least. Prepare the table. Date, debit account, group, credit account. Online students. First transaction the bolo. What is the transaction number 1?
Purchase from Samsung Gulf.
Purchase from Samsung Gulf. Very good. So what is the treatment here? We need to create a purchase account under group purchase or cost of goods sold. Okay. And credit side Samsung Gulf LLC under the group sundry creditors or account payable or vendor or supplier, depend upon your ERP. You have to select the group. And here we need to book in the purchase. The tally people has to book in purchase. Udo Zoho has to book as a bill. Clear? What is the next transaction, Shoaib?
Purchase from Dell Technology LLC.
Purchase from Dell Technology. So here debit is purchase account to Dell Technologies. Purchase account I kept blank here because no need to create now. One ledger will create only one time. Okay, but Dell Technologies you need to create. Okay. Next transaction is Ayushi.
That Canon printer
Canon
purchase.
printer. So again we need to create a purchase account. No need to create. Only we need to select a purchase account when we are entering the transaction, and we need to create a Canon Middle East. Aripa, समझ में आ रहा माँ?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So next transaction is sale. There are 3 purchases, right?
Yes,
Next
sir.
is
Sold to Tech World.
Tech World LLC. Under the sundry debtors, please maintain this table. When I will open the software, I need this information. So Tech World is our customer. In Tally, it is called as a sundry debtor. In other ERPs, it is called as a customer or accounts receivable. And we need to create the ledger called sales account under group sales or operating income or income. Voucher, sales invoice or a tax invoice we need to create. So there are 2 more sales invoices. One is Future Electronic is the customer. Sales account no need to create. That's why I kept blank. Office Solution LLC customer. Sales account no need to create. It's blank. And we need to create the sales invoice and the tax invoice. Next is Samsung Gulf return, purchase return. So here the supplier, again we kept blank because we already created. Right. Samsung Gulf, we already created, no need to create account again. But here we need to create a purchase return account separately. Purchase return account under group purchase or under group cost of goods sold. And we need to create a debit note. Purchase return has to create a debit note, or some softwares is having the option called purchase return. Next is Cannot, same purchase account, no need to create again, debit note, sales return. You need to create the ledger called sales return under the group, sales account. Tech world customer, no need to create, already created, we need to create a credit note. Sales always credit. If sales return, we need to create a credit note. Purchase always debit, debit note. ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं आप. Next is sales return. Complete the table, please. Done. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Next is transfer of goods from Dubai warehouse to Sharjah warehouse. Okay, these transfers I will show you in the software. Inventory adjustments, how to do. Okay, physical inventories. So enable the batch details. Okay, and enable the serial number. This is optional, not there in the tally. Okay, we can see. Next is inventory management complete process flow. First step, you have to create a company. Okay, then the stock group, then unit of measures, then go down, then the stock item, then add a opening stock. Okay, and give the batch number, give the serial number, then supplier ledger, customer ledger, purchase ledger, sales ledger, right? Then the purchase voucher, sales voucher, purchase return, debit note, credit note, stock transfer, physical stock, and the stock summary, the stock ledger. So this is what we are doing today. So I recommend all the students to perform the assignment themselves in Tally, ERP, Arudo, Zoho, Zero, or above is as completed in the sequence. Okay, so you will do or shall I show? I will do. Okay. So now let us. So next session will be the manufacturing session. Okay, bill of material, manufacturing masters, manufacturing journal, raw material to finished goods, full journey. We'll see in the next session. Now we'll see All of you follow the instructions at the same time. Okay. So we are going with the educational version. Okay. Almost time to wait. We open Tally, Jerika. Open. Okay. Will take time, maybe. System is slow. Actually, can you share the screen? Anyone can share the screen?
Sir, but I don't have a tally in my system.
You can download now. 2 seconds.
So it's home Wi-Fi. I will check.
Okay. Ariba, are you with the system?
Yes, sir, but I have old version.
No problem. Old version is Tally 9.
Okay. And how I share screen?
Okay, done. I got it. Now, okay. So quickly, step number 1, we'll create the company, right? Create the company here in the location. We'll save from the, okay. Yani, what is the company name I'm creating? Inventory session. Okay. So here we will give Dubai. These features are the adjustments, you know, right? Okay. So now, first we'll do what? When we are going to create, we have two masters. One is accounting master, inventory master. First we'll do inventory masters. Okay. So first we have to create a stock group. Enter. What are the stock groups we need to create? What are the stock groups? Online students, mobile phones, under primary. And should quantity of items will be added? Yes. Make it yes. Next, which group? Mobile phones, laptops. Under primary, quantity yes. Last one is printers. Printers, yes. So we created the three groups. Next step number 2, unit of measures. Right. Come to the create, go to the unit of measures. Symbol is numbers, formal name is numbers. Decimal places, there is no decimal places. Enter. So only one unit of measures that is we created. Next is locations. Okay. Warehouse. Create. Dubai warehouse under primary. Okay. Under Sharjah. Under Sharjah. Warehouse. Under primary. So next is stock item. What is the stock item? Stock item is Samsung. Samsung under primary. Under group. Mobile, right? Samsung mobile. Under group. Mobile phone. See, here the category. Next, unit of measures, numbers. What is this help me with the next class manufacturing? Next, we have the laptop. Next, next we need to create the ledgers. Which ledgers we need to create? Purchase account. Which group? Purchase among the group purchase. Okay, there is no right in this question. Next. Purchase account, right? Which supplier? Sundry debtors. कौन बोले? Purchase ka na, we have to pay them, right? Sundry credit card. Next item क्या है? What is the item? Samsung फोन हो गया, उसके बाद में Dell लैपटॉप, सप्लायर और एक सप्लायर है ना, गैजेट्स, हाँ, DEL Dell टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिकेटर. Next. In Middle East, indicator, right? Next. Purchase account, we already created. Huh? So where is the purchase account? Not created. Purchase account is not created. Huh? Create, ledger, purchase, another group, purchase. Sales, another group summary. Next to sales is the consolidators. Sales under
So
group
sales
sales.
is the sales account, na?
Yes. Sales under group sales. Or that's it. Huh? Okay. So once the transaction is done, we need to go to the accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers. First one is F, purchase.
F9.
Now we need to submit the return. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. What is the party name? See here, we need to change mode here. Change mode. I need to give the item invoice. Okay. Next is purchase account. Space, it will show you the items. Which one? Huh? First one is Samsung mobiles. What is our first item? Samsung mobiles, right? Samsung mobiles. How many pieces? Location, Dubai, right? Okay. How many pieces? 15, 1, 5. Okay. Seven, 5. 2, 2, 7, 5, 0. Know that. Save. So please book the transactions, all of you. And any online students can share. Same, just booking a data entry, right? So please book. Yeah. It's it. Online students, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, purchase account. Next from whom? Dell
Dell
Technologies. Very good. Dell Technologies. Laptops. How many?
10,
What is the rate?
3,500.
3,500 each. Next.
Sir, amount was 3,500.
Save. Next.
Okay, now. Wait.
Purchase account. What is the name of the item? We not created, so we can create from here. Okay. Printers. Okay. Group printers. Unit of measures numbers. That is there. So here, done. Location. Main location Dubai. How many quantity?
20,
20 quantity. What is the rate?
620.
620. Enter. So 3 purchases are booked. Let's go to the profit and loss account and see. Is there any gross profit or gross loss? No, right? Because its closing stock still be not sold. Okay. Now we purchased how much? 86,000 here. 3 purchases. Okay. Next is sales. So, for example, here we'll check the stock summary. Here we have the stock is how much. See the grouping it's showing. Mobiles, we have Samsung mobiles, 15 mobiles with the rate 2750. Inventory report. No. Okay. Right. So here it's showing the closing stock we have. Let's sell the stock. Okay. Voucher. Who is the customer? TECS Tech World LLC. Sundry. Data. So next is the sales account we need to create. Under group. Already there. So we need to go to the sales voucher. Sorry, F8. Okay, sales voucher under group sales. What is the item? See here we have the laptops, 10 laptops, printers 20. We have the Samsung 50 showing on the screen. And what we are selling? Mobile phones. So Samsung mobile phone. How many? From the where? From main location, right? Warehouse. How many? 12 we are selling. 3,500 each. Next, is there anything other we are selling? No, right? For this customer only, this one. Yes. So we are looking the sales. Done. Next is
Electronic.
So next customer is Future Electronics and the group Sundry. Data sales account no need to create, already created. So what is the item we are selling? The item is Future Electronics School. Laptops we are selling.
Yes, sir.
How many?
8.
So 8 laptops each. How many?
8.
What is the price?
5,550. 555.
5,550. 550.
No, sir. 4,000.
Right. Next.
Sorry, sir.
Sales again. What is the customer name? Office Solution LLC. Only data, right? Next. What we are selling? Printer. We have 20 printers. How many printers we are selling? Okay, we'll take it as 5. So here we have 20 stock. So how much? 49,000. Next. So like this, you have to record. Okay, you have to go for the profit and loss account. It will show you the sales ledger, purchase ledger. Now you come to the stock summary. Here, stock report. Go to the configurations. So here, we need to give opening inventory, goods inventory. Here the inward stock is we purchased 45 items, we sold 45. Movement analysis, everything is there in tell. So what is important here? How to create an inventory knowledge we have. Ariba, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अभी clear है how to book the purchase, how to book the sale, how to create the item, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Very good. And IT,
Yes, sir.
Soyab,
Understood.
very good. Soyab,
Yes, sir.
so complete the problem. Okay. Once you complete and share with me, I will give you the other assignment also to practice. To not practice, no use. है ना? So, any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay, how was the session? Session is okay? Feedback?
Yes, sir. Great.
One is nice,
Oh.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So next session also very important. Okay, I will show you the stock transfer here. Okay, so stock transfer debit note and credit note. It is not showing on the screen, right? So what you need to do, you need to go to the other vouchers. Okay, and here you need to say show inactive vouchers. Okay, so here you can see you need to activate the stock journal. Okay, and here there is a credit note. You need to activate one time. Okay, other vouchers, debit note, and you need to activate the stock journal. Okay, these are the vouchers. So let us see now sales return. Sales always credit. So you simple go to other vouchers, select a credit note, give the customer name who is returning. Okay, example here, Office Solutions are returning. So now this is we need to create a sales return ledger, right? Sales return ledger under group sales. Okay, which item they are returning? For example, here laptops, Dell laptop they are returning. How many? We are receiving where? To the main warehouse. Okay, we are returning 3. What is the price? 5,500. Automatically, sometimes it will pick up the same price. Okay, so you can change the figure, enter. Now come to the profit and loss account. So now you can see here sales minus sales return. So we can get a net sales, same like a purchase return, debit note, and the stock transfer, right? For example, we are moving. Now let's see the stock display, inventory statements. Okay, inventory location. Okay, we have the primary locations, 3 locations we have, right? So we have the 3 locations, right? One is Dubai. Laptops are. See here, in Dubai, we have 3 items. In Sharjah, nothing we have. Okay, transfer from Dubai to Sharjah. Okay, you need to go to the accounting vouchers, go to the other vouchers, select the stock journal. Okay, here transfer of material voucher. So here it's showing source, here it's showing destination. Source from which item? For example, laptop you are transferring, printers you are transferring. So select the name of the item. Okay, quantity, 5 quantity. So printers, which location? From the main location, right? Main location, how many quantities? 5 quantities, 620 each. And destination where? So name of the item, same printers. Okay. Which location now? Here we need to select the location Sharjah. How many quantity? 5 quantity, same price, save. So in the profit and loss account, no change because both are our warehouses, right? The closing stock is showing here. But where we can see display, inventory books, location wise. Location wise. So the primary location, if you see now, the stock is showing here in the printers. Okay. And you can see by press F12 here. Okay, you can check the opening stock and the goods inwards, goods outwards. So it will give you the full story. Opening how much we purchased, how much we sold, what is the closing stock. Okay, this is the stock journal. So we understood debit note, credit note, and the stock transfer. Okay, still we have the lot of movement analysis reports. Okay, stock transfer journal register. Here it will find the statement of inventories, movement analysis. Okay, here you can check the movement, stock item analysis, printer. See now it is showing purchase from Dell, sold to Future and Office Supplies. So it will give the stories from where we purchased, sold to whom. And here we have the stock aging reports also. Okay, stock aging reports. laptop. So it is in our warehouse for 35 days or 40 days. It will give the reports automatically. So next is here we have the statement. Here, this is a beautiful entry feature called stock query. When you select a stock query for the printer, it will give the full analysis from which supplier we are purchased. For example, we have 2 to 3 suppliers. We are paying for the different prices. It will give the full story. And same customer came. So we check what price we given to them. Right. So that also stock query option you can use to check the stock available in which warehouse and we purchase from which supplier, we given to this customer at what price. The stock query will be useful. So go through, practice all the reports. Okay. Next assignment, I will give the purchase with the inventory with VAT. Okay. After the list of items, we select the VAT account. VAT will automatically that will calculate. For today, Alhamdulillah, we completed the inventory moment. So still we have the 3 sessions left. One is for the manufacturing, third one is for the payroll. Okay, and the final and last session is for finalization. Finalization means depreciation, all these things we see. So we understood from journal to the trading business and trading business which we done yesterday, previously. Today we done trading business with inventory. Next session will be manufacturing. So we completed all the verticals. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class. And please try to complete the assignments